Hello everyone, this is a video on similarity. In this video, I'm going to show you how you prove similarity and then how you apply similarity. But I'm going to use an example to show you how you prove it and then how you apply it. Right here, you are given a diagram. This diagram has two triangles. You have triangle PQR and triangle SRT. Now, these two triangles, they've given you values. This PR is 8, PQ is 12, and then RS is 40, and RT is 20. And you are required to find X and Y. Now, in this triangle, they've also given you that this line, PQ, is parallel to ST. So you need to look at that information first before you start doing your questions. Okay, let's look at the first question. It says, prove that triangle PQR is similar to triangle TSR. These three lines going through like that. With parallel, you have two. With similarity, there are three lines like that. When they've drawn that for you, they are actually asking you to prove that these two triangles are similar. We're going to do that first. Right? When we are proving similarity, is similar to when we are proving congruence. You're going to write the two triangles. You're going to say in triangle PQR and triangle TSR. Now, similarity. When we say two triangles are similar, we mean those two triangles, the shapes are the same, but the sizes are not the same. So when you look at this triangle, it's much smaller compared to that one, but the shapes will be the same. Now, how do we prove similarity? With similarity, you prove that three angles are equal. It's not like congruence where you'll have a line. With similarity, you only do angles. You need to find three angles in the other triangle that are equal to three angles in the other triangle. That's how you prove similarity. Right? R1 in this triangle is equals to R2 in this triangle. And then your reason, they are vertically opposite. Now, when you write in your answer book, you need to write the angles that are in the first triangle under the first triangle, and the angles that are in the second triangle under the second triangle. So the first triangle is R1. R1 is equals to R2 in the second triangle. And your reason, it's vertically opposite. These two angles are vertically opposite. So vertically opposite from grade 8, you learn that vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle Q, that angle Q is equals to angle S. Reason, alternate angles. With parallel lines, you always have to add the parallel lines. PQ parallel to ST. Remember, with the alternate angles, they form a Z like that. So that angle is equals to that one. Alternate angles. Angle P is equals to angle T, and your reason is alternate angles. And then we also need to add the parallel lines. Right, I want to show you something with similar triangles. Let's say you have a first triangle here, you have a 50 here and a 70 here. Then you have a bigger triangle here, and then you have a 50 there. Now, with some angles of a triangle, when you add all the angles of a triangle, they'll give you 180. So it means this one will be 60 in the smaller triangle. But because these angles are equal, this will be 60 also. So, with similarity, if you have found two angles, automatically the third one will be equal. Then your reason will be some angles of a triangle. Or you could say third angle of a triangle. You don't necessarily have to prove all three of them like I've done here. If you have proven two, the third one will automatically be equal. Now, when will you use the third angle in a triangle if you're not given? Now, in this question, the examiner expects you to write that. You get marks for writing, not using the third angle. But when you look in a triangle, then you can't find it. Then you use the third angle of a triangle, or you could write some angles of a triangle. Now, we said we needed three angles. It's important to find angles. Don't include lines for similarity. You can say now, triangle. Please write the order. RQP. This angle, that one, and that one. The order is similar. RST. RST. And your reason, it's always angle, angle, angle. you get a mark for writing that. Why is the order important? Is because similar triangles, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So when we say they are corresponding sides, the sides that are correspond, that's why you need to write them in the correct order. It means RQ over RS is equals to QT over ST is equals to RP over RT. So if you have written them in the correct order, you don't have to go and look at the angles, which angle is corresponding to which one, which line is corresponding to which line. The order that you have written, the correct order here, helps you to find the proportionality. Let's do that. Right, we have answered the first question. We have proven that. Now this is going to help us with number 2, the order that I'm talking about. With number 2, you go and see, let's say we want to find y first. Y is QR, so you're going to have QR over, now go to your diagram. QR and RQ is the first one, so it means we took the first one and the second one. So it means in the other triangle we're going to take the first one and the second one, which is RS. S is equals to, now I'm going to take any line that I have. Don't go to the line that you don't have. So when I look at this one, I have PR, which is 8. PR, I'm going to my diagram. PR is RP, is the first one, and that one corresponds to RS. Before I write it, I check if I have RS. RS I do have, so it will work. You avoid having 2 unknowns. So that's why I'm doing this, so that you don't have 2 unknowns. So I have PR, then you go to the diagram. PR is the first one and the third one, over RT. Do I have RT? RT, yes, I do have RT. With geometry, you have to write reason. So why are you having this ratio now? It's because of similarity. So you write similarity. You can write the word similarity, or you can rewrite that. I missed the triangle there. You can rewrite the statement. Okay, now let's substitute. RT was Y over RS. RS is 40 is equals to PR was 8 over RT 20. You don't need to write a reason. So I can multiply by 40 here, multiply by 40 here. Then my Y is equals to, let me get my calculator. Go fraction 8 divided by 20 divided by 40. So it is 16 units. Okay, let's do, we started with Y, let's do X. Let's find X is ST. So I'm going to write ST over ST. They've started with this triangle ST. So it's over QP or PQ. The order doesn't matter. Over, then take a side here. I'll take RT over RT over RP. Make sure that you don't take a side that is not there. Then we have 2 unknowns. Now let's substitute values. ST was X over QP is equals to RT is 20 over RP 8. Then multiplied by 12, multiplied by 12. X is equals to 30. So it means our X, that line, it's 30 units. You just practice this, and it's in grade 12 syllabus. So you really need to know how to do similarity. Thank you for watching.